when you're gone for a ride and easy watch what he fuck it, anxiety. Hi guys. I know, my boy. Hey, don't jump on me. Don't jump, you savage. Hang on. Easy. There you go. Don't jump on me, boy. Don't jump on me. Hey. I know. Miley, come here. See? Hey, you're gonna get hurt. Hi, Miley. Hang on, Miley. Fuck. How do you do this all the fucking time? There you go. Hey. Come here. Come on, say hi. Nothing wrong with me. Something's got to give. Let the bodies hit the floor. Hey, where'd he go? Holy, Molly got a big stick. Where'd he go? Easy. There he is. Hi, boy. My boy. Hey, come here. Okay, don't come here. Look at you, muncher. You fucking mulcher. Let the bodies hit the floor. Hey, easy. Come here, my boy. Hi, boy. Hi, my boy. Hi. Hey, don't jump. Don't jump on me, boy. That's a nice boy. Fuck, was that a great ride. What a fucking great day. I fucking started at 6 o'clock in the morning. You guys want to go in the house and have a treat? Come on, your dad needs a treat. Come on. Everybody, come on. Everybody, come on. See, Easy's got to go pee on where she peed now. Attaboy. Come easy. Come on, Miley. Let's go. Wild hog. Get up there. Never mind. Oh, fuck. Let the bodies hit the floor. Okay, come on. Into my little den of iniquity. Yeah, bueno. Okay, I'm gonna upload some videos because there's some cool shit. Oh, look at, attaboy. Have a big dump. Holy power dump. We'll save that one. We'll put that in the bucket for fuckface. Attaboy, good boy. Right? Attaboy, that was a good dump. We'll save that one easy. Okay, cheers and beers, you queers.